My name is Mike, and today we're going to be hiking up Beehive Mountain. I think we have the whole mountain to ourselves today, because I didn't see any other vehicles in the parking lot except mine. So we just parked here at Sand Beach, and then we're going to hit this trail right now, the Bull Trail, and then we're going to go right up Beehive. Bam! It's only the beginning of September, but you can see the trees. They're all changing colors now. Here we go, there's Sand Beach there. If you ever think you're getting lost up here, follow the blue blazes. You will not go wrong. They will bring you right to the top or down to the bottom of a trail for sure. Now, this is where it gets pretty steep. This is when you're going like upstairs, and I need to pay attention because there's a lot of rungs and ladders that you got to climb when you're going up here. No giant bees in sight, so the queen is still nesting. This is such a sick trail. It goes right on the edge here. Alright, I'm sticking you guys back on my chest a little bit so I can climb. So, I don't know if you can see this or not, but there's like a beaver right in the middle. It's just this little black dot. Oh, there he goes. I wonder what he is. Alright, so I think I found the summit of Beehive. Elevation 520 feet. We've sort of lost the sun right now. So that little critter was right there in Keith Pond. There was a deer just like bouncing around. There he is again, bouncing around. Keith Pond is like the watering hole of the day, I guess. Alright, we're gonna take the loop back to Sand Beach. Let's see. Loop road. Alright, we're going the right way. Some nice little steps here. So we're basically down to the bottom of Beehive. So thanks for checking out the video. We hung out with some critters today and saw some pretty nice views. We'll see you on the next trail. Because I mean, I'm already on the edge. It kind of like flattens out a little bit with these rocks, and then it's just like bam, straight up.